Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to transfer Ethereum from Zebpay to Trust Wallet. We'll cover preparing your Zebpay account, securely obtaining your Trust Wallet address, and initiating the transfer. This full guide ensures a smooth and safe transaction, helping you manage your crypto assets effectively. Pay close attention to each step for a successful transfer. First, access your Zebpay account using your credentials. Navigate to your portfolio or wallet section to find your Ethereum holdings. Before proceeding, always check for any daily withdrawal limits or transaction fees that Zebpay might apply. Understanding these details upfront helps avoid unexpected delays or costs during your transfer process.
If you're finding this guide helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. On another note, just as we aim for clean and smooth crypto transfers, why not upgrade your home's clean game? The Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum offers voice control and self-emptying for a spotless home. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video.
Next, open your Trust Wallet app on your device. From the main screen, select Ethereum from your list of cryptocurrencies. Tap the Receive button to display your unique Ethereum wallet address. It's crucial to copy this address accurately. Even a single incorrect character can result in lost funds, so double-check it. Return to Zebpay and paste the copied Trust Wallet address into the recipient field. Carefully enter the exact amount of Ethereum you wish to transfer. Before finalizing, thoroughly review all transaction details, including the address and amount. Confirming the transfer will initiate the process, so ensure everything is correct.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.